Alright guys, so today I'm up at the shop and we're working on this Grand Cherokee. It's an 01 Grand Cherokee with a 4-liter in it. It's in pretty nice shape for a PA. It's not a rot box quite yet, but it's got 173,000 miles on it. And the customer was complaining that the oil pressure was fluctuating during driving. Now, of course, it's going to make me a liar when I'm on camera and it's not going to show, but it would stay down at 0 when it would get up to temperature, and then it would go up as you gave it throttle. So as RPMs increased, it would go up. So the first thing that you're going to want to check is the oil pressure sensor, oil pressure switch, oil pressure sender, whatever your particular vehicle has. And this one is located somewhere down here. Let's see. It's all the way back there. If you can see right below the dipstick, it's right there where all the oil is. So we're going to pull it off and we're going to see if we see any problems with it. Alright guys, there's a little bit better shot at it. It's right by the bell housing, right underneath the dipstick. We had seen the oil leak, and it is not coming from the valve cover. So we actually pulled the connector off because we were going to take it out and see if it was leaking around the threads, and oil just shot out. So basically there's a diaphragm in there that moves, and that's what the computer reads in the resistance. That's why the wires are going to it. So that diaphragm has gone bad. So it's actually pushing oil through the sensor, and the pigtail is actually what's sealing it from leaking worse than it actually is. So in this case, it's going to be an oil sensor replacement, and that should fix up the problem. Alright guys, so we don't have one here, and it's a Sunday. It's hard to get parts in this area. So basically you're just going to need a 1 1/16 wrench, or you can also get the oil pressure switch socket. Either way, whatever's easier, whatever you have, and then basically just replace that sensor and that'll fix the problem in this case. So if you are having problems with your gauge, just look down there and see if it's leaking first, and if not, then you'd have to test from there and diagnose and see what's actually wrong. So this was a quick and easy fix, and I hope it helped you guys out. This should be the same on pretty much any vehicle. So just if you don't have a Jeep, if you have a Chevy, Dodge, whatever, always just check that out first and see what's going on. But that'll be an easy fix.